Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and I just wanted to come and say that I am getting some entries for the MD card swap, but I would love to have more because I have quite a few MD cards that I have made, and I can show you a sampling of some that if you get picked, you can win some MD cards. So what I'm doing is, if you are interested in MD cards, then you will make an MD card and send it to me. And then that each card that you make and send will be an entry for you to win 5 of the MD cards that I have made, and I will send them to you. The cards must be postmarked by the end of the month, which is April, so April 30th of 2019. Your cards must be postmarked by then, and I will pick winners randomly, and I will send you 5 MD cards that I have made. So please just send me an email, and my email is TT.Scraps at sbcglobal.net. That information should be down below as well, and I will send you my address so that you can send me an MD card, and hopefully you will win. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I thought this would be a fun way for everyone to be able to participate in a swap, and we can have some fun and you can share your art. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.